Your SD card isn't broken. It's just playing hard to get with your data. You think it's dead? Please, it's got a controller brain, a NAND flash body, and a very specific agenda. Let's talk about why your gigabytes are actively fighting back. Inside lives the NAND flash. Think of it as a microscopic sponge made of floating gates. Every time you write data, you shove electrons into those gates. Over time, the insulation cracks, cells degrade. It's basic physics, not bad luck. Enter the controller. Your tiny plastic stick's overworked manager. It runs wear leveling. Spreads writes across every cell so no single spot dies first. Brilliant, right? Except wear leveling needs spare cells, and spare cells eat your advertised capacity. Manufacturers call it overprovisioning. I call it a hostage situation. You pay for 16 gigabytes. The card keeps 4 hidden in the vault. Why? Because without those ghosts, your data dies the second the controller runs out of breathing room. Then comes the file system. FAT, exFAT, and TFS. They're not just folders, they're bureaucratic paperwork. Metadata allocation tables, journaling. Every write triggers a read-modify-write cycle. Latency spikes. Thermal throttling kicks in. Your cards start sweating. But here's the real tea. Since the 1995, cheap cards use cheaper controllers, slower firmware, less overprovisioning. The manufacturer bets you'll never hit the right limit. It's a calculated gamble. If your card dies after a year, that's not a defect. That's a business model. So when your photos vanish, don't cry. That's the system forcing data hygiene. Corrupted files mean you're paying attention. It's a feature, not a bug. The card is literally screaming, back up your stuff or lose it. Ever heard of write amplification? It's the ratio of actual NAND writes to host writes. Your card might write 3 times for every single file you save. Why? Garbage collection, reorganizing dead blocks. It's a chaotic janitor service running on caffeine and silicon. Pull the card while writing? Congratulations, you just triggered a partial block program. The controller panics. It abandons the page. Your file system sees a brick. Again, not a flaw. It's the hardware protecting itself from your impatience. Some of you are out here blaming cheap plastics and bad batches. Skill issue. Real high-end cards exist, but they cost more. You chose the budget tier. You accepted the trade-off. Blaming the silicon is like blaming a bicycle for not being a sports car. Weak design choices don't make bad engineers. They make smart economists. This chaos teaches you something. Trust no storage. Verify your backups. The card isn't your enemy. It's your drill sergeant. And when solid-state storage finally matures, you'll forget how to actually care about your data. And that's dangerous. So next time your card throws a tantrum, thank it. It's working exactly as designed. Drop a comment if you still think your card is cursed. I'll wait. And subscribe because your data needs an ally who actually reads the datasheets.